Hi, my name is Paulina. I am a Western general physician, and I just did a 1 month training for the other medical system. And I want to share my experience and tell that it's been a wonderful opportunity being here, learning Ayurveda in the Kerala Academy. I loved every moment of it. I had the opportunity to have many classes as well as physical training and experience every therapy with people here and learn more about each one of the therapies. It's a very complete and unique class and English spoken, so it's a wonderful opportunity for all of us coming out of India. You won't regret it for sure having this wonderful experience.